Hey guys, Miss Fuller. I've recorded this video so many times, so let's hope this one goes better. All right, so we are learning how to factor with whole numbers in this video. First, we need to define what is factoring expression. What does that mean? Factoring expression is when we write the expression as a product of factors. Product of factors, what does that mean? Well, product means multiply. And factors are pretty much just numbers. So when we factor, we're taking our expression and we're rewriting it as multiplying numbers, essentially. Okay? Pause the video, write this down, and I'm erasing it. Okay. So let's just jump right into it and try to factor an expression. So we are going to factor 18 plus 24 using the greatest common factor, using the GCF, greatest common factor. So first we need to figure out what is the greatest common factor between 18 and 24. Now we can use a factor tree, or we can just list the factors of 18 and 24. So I'm going to test out just listing the factors. Okay, and if you need a refresher on the GCF, go follow those last videos. Go watch those last videos. 18 and 24 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. And 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. And then there I see 6 is going to be my GCF. 6 is my greatest common factor. So that means I need to pull my GCF out of my expression. That's what I'm doing when I'm factoring. I'm pulling numbers out of it so that I can rewrite the expression as those numbers being multiplied together. 6 is my GCF. So that means I'm taking my expression, 18 plus 24, and I need to pull the 6 out of both of those numbers. That's what factoring is. So what I'm going to do is divide both of these terms in my parentheses by that greatest common factor, 6. When I divide these numbers, 18 divided by 6, 24 divided by 6. Pause it and figure out what that is. Okay, so 18 divided by 6 is going to be 3. 24 divided by 6 is going to be 4. However, obviously 18 plus 24 is not the same as 3 plus 4. We need to make sure that these are the same. They need to be equivalent. Our answer needs to be equivalent with what we started with. Since we divided by 6, we need to keep that 6 there, and we are going to multiply by 6. And that is how we factor. By putting the 6 back out here, this is now distributive property. This means the 6 is going to need to be distributed into our parentheses. And check this out. If we do that, 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. And that's right back to where we started with. Checkmate. Okay? So when we factor, we need to find the GCF. We need to divide our terms by the number we're factoring by. Then we need to rewrite it as multiplication, because factoring means we're rewriting the expression as a product. We need to rewrite that multiplication in there. And then we can check our work by distributing, and we know that we factored correctly.